So guys, recently I have unboxed this Redmi Note 8 Pro on the channel and you guys have loved the video. And as you guys already aware that this phone is catered to the gamers and it comes with that MediaTek G90T processor, you know, the gaming chipset. So I thought let's do a PUBG test of this phone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the PUBG gameplay review with battery drain test and temperature test in 1080p 60 fps. So let's begin. As per your demand, I have did some benchmark of this phone and taken the screenshot. So let me show you first of all the benchmarks, then I will play the game. So as you see on the Antutu, it scores 2,82,000, which is freaking insane. And the Geekbench score is 497 for a single core and 1,613 for a multi-core score, which is pretty decent. Let's open this PUBG Mobile and let's play it. By the way, let me quickly show you that. As you see, currently the battery is on 87%. And I'm going to measure the temperature with the app called battery temperature. By the way guys, the speaker is right over here. So yeah, it has only one speaker. That's a downside for a gaming phone. But yeah, enjoy the gameplay. By the way, let me show you the graphics setting. Graphics. So currently it's on HD. And on Ultra, I can play it on HDR. So let's play it on HDR. The extreme setting is available on the smooth balance. So I will show you the smooth setting too, but let's enjoy the game. Let's enjoy this game in the HDR setting. So yeah, let's play.
Points for the red team.
Victory!
As you saw, guys, we've lost this match, but yeah, as you saw, the performance was just incredible. There were no frame drops even in HDR, which is amazing. I mean, there are some minor frame drops which are not even noticeable if you are a new game or something like that, but it is little bit warm. I mean, very minor warm. I can feel over here very minor warmth, and as you see over, it is just 33 degrees Celsius, so nothing is alarming right here. Now let's play this game again, but on the extreme FPS, you know. So yeah, on the extreme setting we will get the 60 FPS, so that will be amazing. Let's put it on smooth and extreme because we want 60 FPS continuously. And now let's play it.
Team match, let's go.
First point for the red team.
about to win.
The red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
Blue team victory.
So guys, as you saw the performance, I hope you noticed the performance, because the performance was just amazing. And it was like very consistent at the 60 fps. I mean, sometime it definitely drops down, as I've noticed, but it was quite consistent in terms of the fps. And as you see, the current temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, so not bad. And as you see, the battery is on 81%, so that's great actually. So the overall gameplay of this phone is just amazing, I can say that, because actually it is amazing. And the phone is a little bit warm over here, but like it's very minor, so this phone definitely does not overheat while gaming. It's been around 15 minutes since I'm gaming, so it's not a prolonged gaming, but yeah, this is there. So yeah, overall I can say that you can definitely play PUBG at very highest setting with very awesome frame rates in this phone. So if you are planning to buy this phone for the PUBG specific purpose, then definitely do consider to buy it. It's a very nice phone. By the way, this is the performance that you can get in the phones like OnePlus and other high-end flagship processors. This is actually very nice. So yeah, that's all guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this phone or any other smartphone. By the way, I will leave the link in the description box below, that from where you can purchase it. So yeah, thank you so much. By the way guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon, so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.